I'm Product Sales Manager Matt Brice from Comstar Supply. We're going to unbox the Armada Technologies Pro 871C pipe and cable locator. This locator is a very simple yet elegant design for technicians simply needing to do quick verifications in the field. While the Armada Pro 871C has been on the market for several years, it's still somewhat of an unknown in the industry, but has seen great success in the field. Inside, the locator comes with its own case, supplied with headset, clips, transmitter built into the box, receiver wand, and induction clamp. The transmitter requires 8 D-cell batteries, which conveniently mount in the transmitter housing. The 8 D-cell batteries will give this transmitter up to 50 hours of life, and the receiver battery, which is a common 9 volt, will work up to 15 hours of life. The transmitter will direct transmit at 2 frequencies, 2 kilohertz and 33 kilohertz, as well as 175 kilohertz inductive. The passive mode operates at 50 and 60 hertz. On the receiver wand, you'll see the simple controls and analog dial that allows you to adjust from low to high power, induction versus direct transmit, as well as your headset jack for listening to tone. That has been your unboxing introduction to the Armada Technologies Pro 871C pipe and cable locator. Be on the lookout for the new 900 series digital model coming soon. For more details and ordering information, contact us at Comstar Supply.